The ostrich, known as the largest and heaviest living bird species, is found in the grasslands and savannahs of Africa. These flightless birds have adapted to a terrestrial lifestyle, showcasing impressive speed and agility. With adult males reaching heights of up to 9 feet (2.7 meters) and weighing as much as 320 pounds (145 kilograms). Ostriches possesses long legs, a lengthy neck and a large round body covered in feathers. One remarkable feature of ostriches is their powerful legs, allowing them to sprint at incredible speeds of up to 43 miles (70 kilometers) per hour. This remarkable ability makes them the fastest running bird on Earth. Furthermore, ostriches possess strong, sharp claws that they can utilize to deliver powerful kicks as a defense mechanism against predators. As omnivores, ostriches have a diverse diet consisting primarily of plant material, including leaves, seeds, and fruits. Additionally, they consume insects and other small animals. Ostriches have a specialized digestive system that efficiently breaks down and processes the tough plant fibers they consume. In their social structure, ostriches live in groups referred to as flocks. These flocks typically consist of one dominant male, multiple females, and their offspring. During the breeding season, the dominant male engages in elaborate courtship displays such as fluffing his feathers, spreading his wings, and gracefully swaying his neck to attract potential mates. Although ostrich populations are generally stable and not currently threatened with extinction, they have faced challenges due to habitat loss, hunting, and competition with livestock for resources. Conservation efforts primarily focuses on preserving their habitats and implementing sustainable management strategies for their populations. In some regions, ostriches are also bred in farms for their meat, feathers, and eggs, offering an alternative source of income for local communities and reducing pressure on wild populations.